All garage door safety sensors are fundamentally flawed. That's because even when safety sensors are properly installed to the garage door system, garage doors are still crashed into or damaged on a regular basis. But that's all about to change. This is Infinity Shield. Let's party. So how do garage door safety sensors work now? Well, basically garage door motor manufacturers provide safety sensors that are designed to detect when someone or something passes through the door. When the infrared beam is broken, the garage door motor is designed to not close, stall, or open back up. The problem with these safety sensors is that they're placed low to the ground, either on the door tracks or screwed into the door jambs just 6 inches above the floor. Clearly, when reversing from the garage, it takes a minute for the rear wheel tires to be detected by the safety sensors. Usually at that point, the garage door is a quarter of the way down and the rear end of the vehicle is exposed. Thus, if the safety sensors do not respond in time, it could be a recipe for disaster for your car and/or garage door system. Now, the reason why Infinity Shield is next level is because they cover the entire spectrum of the biggest opening to your home, the garage door. And thinking about how garage door safety is so vital, that door is hundreds of pounds potentially being able to close on someone or something. And we've seen it, party people, tons of times where we just maybe lose concept or perception of our entry or exit of the garage door, and the next thing you know, we've hit the door, or our vehicle has somehow nicked the top of the door, the sides of the door, whatever the scenario may be. It happens, and it happens often. Okay, confession time. I have done jobs for customers where when I get access into the garage, they leave me the access only through the garage door, and they so happen to not leave the remote transmitter. The only way out of the property is through the garage door. So what do? Well, clearly I can disengage the garage door opener motor from the door, have it in a closed state, just simply tell them, hey, press the button and open it. But usually that's okay, but sometimes some customers, they just have a hard time dealing with the emergency release cord. Thus, what I have done, I'm guilty as charged, I basically hit the wall button to the garage door opener motor. I run straight to the door, hurtling like an Olympian. I do these Olympic hurdles over the garage door safety sensors just so that way I can get the door closed. Gratefully, my head has not, well, I don't think my head has hit the garage door. Maybe it has. Anyways, my head has not hit the garage door. I have not had an accident doing that, but that is also a recipe for disaster. So having something like the Infinity Shield in a situation like that, again, it would just not exist, because Infinity Shield, you're not going to get nothing. That is, you're not going to there's nothing that will pass through Infinity Shield that will not be detected. And that's really the idea of these next level garage door safety sensors. Okay, full disclosure, Infinity Shield is not sponsoring this video. They did though send me 2 units to review, a 7-foot and 8-foot version. No money exchanged hands. In fact, they're not telling me what to say in this video. And that's the type of transparency that you party people deserve when it comes to these product reviews. Now let's get back into the video. So the Infinity Shield is definitely a party. And one of the things that I really appreciate about this system is the fact that you do get a lot of security features. You have the ability to be able to determine if your vehicle, or if the Infinity Shield, the cross sensor connection, is doing its job. For example, there we go right there. Even while the door is closed, anything that goes through the Infinity Shield, it's going to pick it up. If you had, like, for example, something that got into the track assembly, like say, for example, you had a broom that somehow got stuck So clearly that would indicate that the sensors are picking up an obstruction. So it might alleviate those problems where, you know what, I suddenly left something near my door as I opened it, as I closed it. It created an imbalance. And that's really one of the main reasons why safety sensors are so vital to a garage door system. Another thing that I like, when my wife was driving her SUV into this garage, we were able to detect when the SUV was coming through. Clearly, when you have a hatchback or a hatchback, is it hatchback or hatchback? Well, the hatchback to her vehicle was open, and the Infinity Shield infrared sensors was able to pick it up. I thought that was really genius, especially for those homeowners that whenever they do park their vehicle in and for some reason they don't have enough clearance for the hatchback, and the next thing you know, they have it open, they try to drive away, they try to, I don't know, they try to do a number of things with the hatchback open, and that's where a recipe for disaster is created. So again, it's just a great security feature. There's one more feature to this Infinity Shield that I thought I wanted to mention, or I think it's worth mentioning. Earlier in this garage, I was actually in the corner over here doing something, and I had my back towards the door. The next thing I know, the Infinity Shield starts to alarm, and I look over and there's a stray cat trying to come into the garage. Now, why is that important? Interestingly, if the Infinity Shield can detect any movement coming in, it might serve as a deterrent or an alarm that could startle someone. Say, for example, when you're driving in and the next thing you know, you're trying to take off groceries, but you've got your back towards the garage. It could be in the middle of the day now, there's, you know, people with no scruples, or late at night, if someone's trying to get the best of you or trying to attack you from behind, again, the Infinity Shield alarm would sound off and could perhaps startle the person and would obviously alarm you to be able to be aware of your surroundings. Now, I'm not sure if Infinity Shield had that as an intended application, but I think the practicality behind that is genius. If I were trying to come home late at night and thinking of perhaps maybe security measures where my surroundings were, I was aware of them, then I think the Infinity Shield would do wonders for someone who perhaps maybe lives alone, or the elderly, or if we're probably, or if the person's probably being targeted by someone. Of course, there are some drawbacks to it, and obviously that sound, that alarm, would go off every time you pass the Infinity Shield. Yeah, it could get a little bit annoying. Nevertheless, the benefits definitely outweigh what that annoyance could be. So it is definitely a, I don't want to say foolproof or sure-proof solution. And the only reason being is because that sounds like a guarantee, because there's really no guarantees, and quite frankly, I don't even think Infinity Shield is saying this is this save all, do all, but it's pretty darn close. So I'm definitely going to call it. Infinity Shield, without a doubt, is a party. It is an amazing piece of garage door technology that I believe many should consider, especially if you have specific circumstances to where maybe your depth perception or your peripheral vision, or perhaps you have an older one living by themselves at home and they still drive, or a young teenager that's learning how to drive. Yeah, this is just going to be added extra protection under those circumstances, and any type of extra measure for safety, for the garage door use, for your home, that's a win in my book. And being able to utilize the Infinity Shield with your Genie, Chamberlain, or LiftMaster garage door opener motor, and now Guardian, man, that's going to cover all three of the wall mount garage door opener motors that are out in the industry right now. So that's just going to be heightened extra security protection for you and your family. So if Infinity Shield sounds like a party to you, then check out the affiliate link in the description, because that's one way that you could support this channel. Now, I just mentioned that Infinity Shield will play nice with the wall mount garage door opener motors. In fact, we have a new player in the wall mount motor space. So let's keep this party going. Check out this video right here on the newest wall mount garage door opener motor from Guardian. As always, I want to thank you all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.